Hi everyone, here's my video of an unboxing and build of the Tamiya Thunder Shot 2022 re-release model. Yeah, hope you enjoy watching. I'll go around the outside of the box, show you all the sides and the ends, just see what's on the box. With this re-release model, the body actually comes pre-cut and painted, which is pretty good. This re-release model actually comes with the rear wing as well to put onto the body if you would like. The original one back in the 80s never actually came with that, so yeah, you had to buy that separate. Here's inside the box now. Just showing you so there's the pre-cut and painted body. All the parts, everything's there. Now, just a bit of a layout, just all the parts. Some of the parts I've already cut out from the parts tree just wanted to make this one a quick build. Alright, going through the manual now, showing you a lot of information, all the safety precautions and everything. Definitely worth a read to find out a bit of information and some tips and handy things to know about these cars. Always remember to charge the battery when you first start these kits, so that way it's all nice and charged, ready for you to go once you're finished. The book starts with the building the differentials and gearboxes. This kit also comes with all plastic bushings. So I swapped them all out for the proper roller bearings. Definitely makes this car a lot better. It runs smoother and your gears last longer, and battery lasts longer too, which is good. So in this kit you can change the different size pinion gears from 13 up to 17 tooth. The kit comes standard with the 15 tooth, which is what I'm going to be running. Still running the standard 540 engine. So on to fitting all the rear arms to the rear differential, all the axles and drive shafts as well. Same thing, fitting the proper bearings to it. Now assembling all the front suspension arms. Now all the front axles and drive shafts. Now doing all the front and rear shocks, just running the standard soft oil in the shocks. On this car it has 2 rear shocks on the rear, and the front just a single shock on the front. Now on to fitting the radio gear. I'm actually doing something a little bit different in this car, so I'm actually fitting a mechanical speed controller like back in 1987. The original one had one, so this is just from the original book. yeah, just basically showing how it all goes together. So yeah, so I got all the parts laid out, servos. So I've got to use 2 servos since I'm using the mechanical speed controller. Got some switch lubricant there that you definitely got to use. So all the radio gear and mechanical speed controller all in there. Now onto the front steering components and fitting the front and rear gearboxes to the chassis as well. Now onto fitting the front bumper and getting the driver all sorted out and painted. Apparently these front bumpers are really hard to get on the original one, especially if you're trying to do a refurbish on one. Yeah, it wasn't until these re-release kits come out that it makes it easier to get now. Here it is with the driver all painted. Yeah, it came up pretty good. Got the heat resistor there. Yeah, looking pretty good. Now fitting all the tyres to the rims. I normally spray a bit of silicone spray on the tyres, let them soak there for a few days before I fit them to the rims. Yeah, it just makes the tyres last a bit longer. Now I've got them all bolted onto the car now. It's looking pretty good. So in the manual, it still shows you how to cut out and paint the body, even though it's already pre-cut and pre-painted, which is really good, as it would have been a nightmare to try and tape it all up to do the 2 different colours on the body and the windscreen as well. So yeah, and also the wing shows you how to fit the wing if you are going to fit it. It is optional. Here's all the stickers here, and yeah, I use the proper Tamiya decal scissors. Yeah, and here it is. Yeah, all done. Got the wing done as well. Yeah, it came out really well. Here's the body on the car without the wing fitted. And then another shot, yeah, with the wing fitted to the body. I kind of like both. It's really hard to know which one to go with. Here's the last few pages in the manual. Yeah, just some troubleshooting guides and tips, and then all the parts trees, all the screws and nuts and bolts, everything that's used. Some more safety precautions there. Yeah, it makes it easy if you need to, get some more parts and work out what sizes and everything, what you need. Just a listing of all the parts there as well on the back of the book. And here we are, all done and finished. I've got the wing fitted on there. Like I said, I do like it both ways. It's definitely a personal choice on which way you go, but yeah, I think I'll just leave the wing on there. I quite like it. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you really enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and yeah, give me some comments. I really appreciate your feedback as well. Thank you. If you like this video, yeah, if you get the time, yeah, maybe check out some of my others. Thank you.